Hi guys, so welcome to another episode of my video, and in today's video I want to talk about how you can use Telegram wallet right here in Nigeria. Now for some days now, a lot of people have been asking me to talk about this particular wallet, how you can send and receive money with the wallet, and how you can create the wallet. So that is why in this video I'll be taking you guys step by step on how you can start using Telegram wallet, especially right here in Nigeria. If you're from Nigeria, you're going to know that we are no longer using Binance P2P, guys. So we cannot buy and sell USDT on Binance P2P. So Telegram can be another great recommendation, especially for beginners. If you are new to my channel, this is Soli Pictures TV and my name is Solomon Okon. Now right here, what I do here is that I share updates on how to make money online, especially right here in Nigeria. Now if you want to be getting more updates from me, please make sure you like this video right now. Give this video a thumbs up, like the video, share the video, and you can just comment where you're watching from in the comment section below. Now don't forget to click on that subscribe button right now and turn on the bell notification so that once I drop new videos, you're going to be the first person to watch them. If you're watching this on Facebook, please click on that follow button right now so you can get more updates from me. So guys, without wasting any more time, let's just go straight to the point. For you to use Telegram wallet, you must first of all have a Telegram account. So download Telegram from Google Play Store and create an account for yourself, guys. It's very simple. Now that is the first thing you have to do. Now after you're done doing that, just come over to Telegram right here. Now once you come over to Telegram, you're going to realize that Telegram has added a new feature called Telegram wallet. Now this is the wallet right here. You're going to see it right here. They call it new. You can see right there. Now all what you have to do right here, just come here and click on it. Now once you click on it, they are going to ask you to agree to the terms and condition of use. You just go ahead and agree. Click on continue. They are going to open the wallet for you right here, guys. Now as you can see, they say wallet in Telegram made for crypto. You can see right there. So you can see they say easy to buy, send to a friend, and convenient to use, guys. Now just come here and click on let's go. They are going to open the wallet for you. It's very simple. That's all. Like, this is one of the most easiest crypto wallet to open, guys. Like, one of the most easiest crypto wallet and the most simplest, guys, because most of you already know how to use Telegram, and for you to open this thing wouldn't really be a problem. The main thing I'm going to be talking about in this video is how you can buy and sell USDT on Telegram P2P, how you can send and receive USDT right here on Telegram. You're going to see right here that everything here is 00. I've not deposited my wallet. I've not even done anything. And you're also going to notice that Telegram right here has their own coin. They call it toncoin. You can see right here, they have their own coin. You can receive USDT TRC20, you can receive toncoin, and you can also receive Bitcoin right here. And Telegram right now is running a program. You can earn money from the money you deposit into their wallet. You can see right here, they call it wallet earn right here. Minimum for you to join this particular program right here, I think is 3,000 USDT or 1,000 something. This program allows you to earn money while using Telegram wallet. You earn up to 50% APY right here in 2 weeks, and after that you earn up to 25% APY right here in another 2 weeks, guys. So just come here and go through this page and read more about this particular program right here before it expires. The first thing I think you should do right here is for you to click on these settings. You need to come down here and set up your passcode so that your account can be more secure. That is the reason why you set up this passcode. Now the next thing is identification level. You can see right here, my own is basic. Preferred currency USD. You can change this to Naira if you want to change it to Naira. You're going to see that right here you can come here and update your identification for you to be able to make more transactions on the platform. You can see what a basic account can do on this platform. This is what a basic account can do. Come down here and upgrade your account if you want to be trading more money on the platform. The next thing right here you need to do is for you to send and receive USDT on this platform. So how can you really send and receive money right here? Come down here and click on send if you want to send, or come down here and click on add crypto if you want to receive. Now if you click on send, they say your wallet is empty, so I cannot send. So I'm going to click on add crypto right here. They're going to open this page for me. Here you can buy crypto with your bank card. You can buy crypto on their P2P market, and you can receive cryptocurrency from somebody else, either from your friend or from an external wallet or something. Come down here and click on external wallet. You're going to see dollars, you're going to see toncoin, you're going to see Bitcoin. So select the one you want to receive right here. For me, I want to receive USDT, which is dollar right there. I'm going to click on continue. You can see right here that you can receive it through toncoin, which is their network, or you can receive it right here through TRC20. You can see right there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this my wallet address. I'm going to go to my Binance account and send money from my Binance account to this particular wallet right here. That is what I'm going to do right now. Now you see that my wallet is empty, everything is 00. So this is what you do if you want to receive money from somebody. Come down here, copy this wallet address and send it to the person you want to receive the money from. Remember, this is only for USDT TRC20 right here. So copy it. This is how you receive TRC20 on Telegram wallet, guys. It's very simple. As you can see right here, I just sent 12 USDT into my Telegram wallet, and as you can see, they debited me from Binance. You're going to see this is my wallet and they credited me right here, guys, and that's the $12. Remember, I did not have any money before. Now the most important part right here, if you're from Nigeria, please pay attention, is how you can buy and sell USDT on this P2P market. That's the most important part right here. Now all what you have to do, come here and click on P2P market. Now you can see P2P market right here. You can decide to buy or you can decide to sell. Now if you want to buy, come here and click on buy. You can see they say payment method. You can choose bank transfer. The next thing right here is for you to choose the verification method of the person you're buying from. You can see they say trusted merchant. You can see they say national ID verified. So click on that. The next one, let's scroll this way. Now the currency here is in naira. Now let's scroll this way. You're buying USDT, which is cryptocurrency. Let's scroll this way. You can see amount, so you can filter the amount right here for the amount you want to buy. For let me say I want to buy USDT worth 10,000 naira. So I'm going to filter the amount, and from there you can buy from them. I just click on buy. Now if you click on buy from me, you can put the amount and do the transaction. For example, let me say I want to buy for 15,000. Click on buy right here. Say verify using national ID. You can verify your account. Without you verifying your account with your ID, I don't think you can buy USDT from the platform, guys. It's very simple. So if you just come here and click on continue. Now if you click on continue, from there I think they are going to ask you to verify your account, and from there you can submit your ID and verify your account. Now if you want to click on sell, come here, select the same people, the same thing right here, put the amount you want to sell. So let me say I want to sell 10 USDT right here. I'm going to click on continue. They say you haven't set up any payment method. So for you to be able to receive payments if you're selling, you need to add a payment method. So let me say bank transfer right here. Put in your account details right here. You can see account number. So I'm going to go ahead and fill in my account details that I want to use to receive my payment if I'm selling my USDT on this particular Telegram wallet. I just added my payment method. So all what I need to do right here is just for me to proceed with the transaction. You can see that I am selling $10 right here, and $10 here will give me up to I think 13,000 naira, because I am selling for 1,350 naira for $1. So that's the price right there. And let me click on continue. They say verify your ID. So this means I cannot even do anything without me verifying my ID. This is crazy. And the problem right here is that I have put my ID, and if I try to verify it, it's showing me error message. This is the problem I'm facing right now, guys. So it's showing me an error message right here each time I'm trying to verify the ID card, and I've contacted their customer service and I've not gotten any better response from them yet. So I'm still hoping to get a response, or I'm still hoping they verify my ID for me. So it's very simple. So it means that without verifying your ID, you cannot buy USDT on Telegram wallet. You cannot send USDT out of Telegram wallet, I think so. And you cannot buy USDT on Telegram P2P. You cannot sell USDT on Telegram P2P unless you verify your wallet. And as you can see, is the error message I keep getting each time I try to verify my ID card. So that is the problem right here, guys. So apart from this, you can actually receive money right in your wallet. This means if you can successfully verify your Telegram wallet, which means you can do every other stuff on this platform. What I'm going to do right now is for me to try to send out this money to see if I can do that again. So let me try another method right here. I'm going to go ahead and input another wallet address right here. I'm going to come here and put the amount. So let me say I want to send 10 USDT out. I'm going to come here and click on continue. So let me click on this and see if I can do that. Now they are asking me to put my pin. Remember, I showed you guys where you can create your pin. So I'm going to go ahead and put in my pin and let's continue. So guys, as you can see right here, I have successfully sent out 10 USDT out of my Telegram wallet. Now it means that if you don't verify your ID card, you can only receive and send USDT. You cannot buy a USDT from them, and you cannot sell USDT to them on their P2P. So you can only send and receive USDT without your wallet verification. It's very simple, just like what you're seeing right here. So tell me what you think about Telegram wallet. Have you been using Telegram wallet so far? Is it working for you? Has it been okay? Just let us know in the comment section below. That's all for now, guys. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like this video right now if it was helpful, and share the video. Now tell me what you want to know about Telegram wallet in the comment section below, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates coming your way. And there's another video that is going to play right here. Click on it and watch it right now. I'm going to be seeing you guys in my next video. Do have a lovely day and bye for now.